Today's class we are going to see about rates of GST in India. Okay. First of all, what do you mean by GST? GST is nothing but called as goods and service tax. The goods and service tax will be implemented on 1st July 2017 by Narendra Modi. As well as the GST will be classified into 4 categories. One is SGST, should be called as state goods and service tax. We are paying for a state. And the second one is CGST. C stands for Central Government Goods and Service Tax. We are paying for all over the central government. And the third one is IGST. IGST is nothing but should be paying for Integrated Goods and Service Tax. If we are paying intra as well as interstate as well as intrastate. The last one is UGST. UGST is nothing but should be called as Union Goods and Service Tax. We are paying for India's border. So here, today's topic is rates of GST in India. First of all, we know what are the rates of GST tax structures followed by in India. The first one is 5%. Okay, the first one is 5%. Second one is 12%. Third one 18%. Then fourth one is 20%. So these are the tax structure, tax rates followed in India. But we are getting to some other country. So from that some other country, it's a foreign country, for example, let us take it as China or Japan. So the tax structure, tax rates will be totally little bit changes because that particular country followed by, apart from the government rules and regulations, that particular country will be followed the tax structure, slab rates will be totally changed. In India, these are the 4 tax rates we are following. So first one, 5%. So in that 5%, what are the things, what are the products we are paying 5% of GST to tax structures to India? What are the things? The first one is edible oil. And the second one is spices like cardamom, pepper, anything else. So these are the things. And then third one is coal. And then fourth one is ice and snow, biogas, cashew nuts, almond, pista, like that. For this particular product, if you are purchasing in India means we are paying a 5% of taxes for these things, for these products. And then second one is, second tax rate is 12%. So 12% we are paying a tax for 12% is like the frozen food. What do you mean frozen food? For example, we are using daily products should be called as frozen foods. For example, if you are getting egg, milk, cheese, butter, kova or curd, for this we are paying a 12% of taxes for frozen items. And then as well as other items also, the handmade cuisines like chewing cuisine, like that. So this, and then meat, if you are purchasing mutton, like this. So somehow we are paying a 12% of tax. And then third one is 18% of tax. So 18% of tax should be covered under this product. One is household products including for toothpaste, shampoo, for this. Then second one is dental wax. Third one pencil sticks. Then fourth pencil sticks like kajal. And then headgear, carriage for babies. So these are the things. And a number of products we are coming under 18% of taxes. And then we can add it for 18% of tax. If you are using, if you are building a houses, means if you are using like PVC pipes or electrical OS, for that we are paying a 18% of tax. And the last one is 28% of GST. For that, what do you mean 28% of GST is? It should be we are paying for a luxury products we are consuming. Here, the luxury products is like that of, for example, tobacco products. Because if you have tobacco products, wines, alcohols, for this we are paying a 20% of taxes. And then cars, two-wheelers, washing machines, cement, paints, air conditioners, yachts, aircrafts. Why we are come up with this 20% of taxes means if you are paying for, if you are consuming luxury, if you are if you are adding a value for our luxury, our sophisticated living. So if you are getting back into this, 20% of taxes will be covered in this products if you are consuming over than our living curve. So these are the rates of GST tax structures in India. Thank you for the presentation.